Aquafire is the most advanced water vapor fireplace technology on the market. We create realistic dancing flames out of nothing but tap water. It can be color changing. You can change the density of the flames, the look of the color, the speed, whatever you want in your room to have ambiance you're looking for out of a fireplace. We really talk about how much of a liability-free system it is. You don't have open flames, you don't have to run gas lines, you don't have to worry about any issues that you typically would run into when building out a big install for fireplaces. It runs over an ultrasonic mist maker that vibrates at super fast speeds, which breaks the water particles up and they float into the air column. And then we blow it with a fan and hit it with a light, and you get the dancing flame effect that you're seeing behind you. It really brings the electric fireplace category to a new level of realism. You can really put your hands in the flames and touch it. It's not a projection, it's not a TV. So we really like to kind of hone in on the realistic nature of an electric fireplace.
We felt there was a need for a safer solution that was available to people who could not have live flame in their environment. We were looking at cruise ships, we were looking at senior living facilities, any kind of medical facility or hospitality where we wanted to limit the liability of open flame. We're working really hard for people to understand the advantages that water vapor brings over wood or other fuel sources, gas, pellets, things like that. The systems are very easy to install. They can be either direct plumbed, much like an ice maker in a refrigerator, or they could be manually filled via an internal pumping mechanism, easy to fill out of any container and easy to install into any application. Because you're using tap water and it's all low voltage, it's literally pennies a day to run a system. We're working with several large restaurant chains who, prior to moving to water vapor, were using gas fireplaces. They get the same effect that they were getting from the flame without any of the heat, and they're able to run it 365 days a year.
We're builders. We need to put something in that doesn't need permits, doesn't have an inspector, something I can run all day long. They won't burn themselves on, something that's not a hazard or a danger. They're very easy to install, something that's just very practical for a person that has a temperature-controlled environment that wants a fireplace that looks really cool.
We stock and sell in the United States. All of our parts and any kind of support is also US-based. You can really get any of the support you need from our website, as well as the real people behind Aquafire.
One of the best fireplaces you can find today in a non-fossil fuel that is electric or holograms is actually water vapor. Aquafire brand, and it's been an amazing brand for us for the last 5 years. Ability to install this fireplace is pretty much unlimited, and you will find tremendous value for your home that you literally can install in every room in your house and have amazing fire feature everywhere you go.